Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Yeah, so good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good Monday morning, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're here in Warsaw, right in the center of Warsaw at the WIDOK Towers building. And good to see you, Winston. Nice weekend?
Very nice weekend.
Yeah, good. We're here on a very nice snowy day looking out over Warsaw. Great weather here. So it looks like it's getting a little bit white for Christmas, I think, yeah?
Hope so.
We're sort of here at the week before, I guess really the week before the holidays kick in, or actually even this week they kick in, just sort of at the end. So just want to wrap up this week and with some interesting things. We've got quite a few more interesting jury members and sponsors, and a lot's happening with our CEE Retail Awards, which is coming up January 27th at the Warsaw InterContinental Hotel. Straight after that, in March, we got our MAPIC edition for the magazine.
MIPIM.
MIPIM. I had so much fun at MAPIC, I'm still thinking MAPIC, you know. So MIPIM edition, which is in beginning of March or mid-March. And then, so if you got anything for that, or you're going to MIPIM, definitely let us know. We want to get you in the magazine. Any buildings for promotion, or investors interested in looking to take on some new projects, invest in new projects, let us know. I'm sure there's some bankers and service providers out there as well. Also, 2 weeks after that, we have our SEE Real Estate Awards in Romania, which is going extremely well, and we're doing it at the Radisson Hotel once again, back in action, back in person.
Back in Bucharest.
Back in Bucharest, after 2 years of, after 2 years of, well, they have very low cases there, so it looks like it's
that's good.
all good to go there. The hotel is very excited, and they're even sponsoring the event as well, so very interesting. So, and I see we have quite a lot of interesting news on the Europa property real estate front, yeah?
Well, I mean, from Romania, there's loads of news coming out from Romania.
That's
seems
true.
to be the real estate market down there seems to do very strong at the moment.
A lot of development, yeah.
A lot of development.
So, let's just we'll take a 20-second break, and then you'll see a little video about this WIDOK Towers and some interesting things, and we'll enjoy the view here while we're having our coffee and watching what's happening in Warsaw from here. And then Winston will come right back with you in the exciting highlights of the news on EuropaProperty.com. So welcome back, and we're here with Winston Norman to tell us about the exciting news in Central Eastern Europe. Let us know what's happening on the commercial real estate side.
All right, Craig, and today we'll start with a report from Colliers called Exceeding Borders, CE16, Retail Alive and Kicking.
Oh, wow. That sounds like that's a big sentence.
That's a good positive title to start the show. And it says here that small shopping centres and retail parks in Central Eastern Europe are growing in importance. And we've seen that in this sector throughout this year and throughout the pandemic.
Absolutely.
And Colliers goes on to say that discount retailers are predicted to find Central Eastern Europe market very attractive, as evidence shows shoppers have favoured the value for money approach these retailers provide. And Kevin Turpin, he's the region director of research at Colliers. He says that due to the fact that the long-term impacts of the pandemic are still unknown, the growth and importance of smaller shopping centre formats and retail parks has strengthened. The multiple numbers of schemes under construction or in advanced stage of planning confirm this trend. And there probably, as you know, there's been a few new developers and a few new discounters that have approached the market because of how attractive it is these days.
Sure.
And there's several developers, as you know, Immo Finance, Sala, EDS, Trade Real Estate, and Filant.
Right.
And according to Colliers, their appetite for these from developers, investors, and retailers for this type of asset class is considered very strong. And the stage of development of this market segment varies across Central and Eastern Europe, but the segment of retail parks shows great potential for development. And in the terms of stores of these discount retailers, Biedronka is the leading CE
Sure. Yeah. They
discount retailer, followed by Lidl, and then we've got obviously Aldi, the German.
Aldi discount? Yeah.
Yeah, Aldi's very similar to Lidl. So it just all confirms that Central Eastern Europe and small shopping centres and retail parks is on a good growth trend.
And I see this British one starting to open more and more. Deals, D-E-A-L-S-Z.
Yeah, actually, Deals is I learned from the press release. They're with Pepco.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they're
okay,
part of
okay.
Pepco's. Pepco's changed. That's
So
right.
probably an expansion plan in there somewhere, I would imagine.
Yeah, Deals is great. Yeah,
I always get my snacks there.
you noticed.
Yeah, you can see it's working.
Moving on, and JYSK and VGP. They've held a groundbreaking ceremony in Riga for a new logistics centre. VGP will develop this logistics centre for the household appliance DIY shop JYSK, and it's going to be a 42,000 square metre development, and it's their 46th in the region for the company.
Wow.
And according to the JYSK board member Artūrs Vikmanis, he says investments in logistics centres make sense because the company is currently pursuing an expansive strategy in the Baltic States. And this project is expected to be completed in 2022, and it's going to be certified with a BREEAM Very Good.
Excellent.
In the Czech Republic, and the 108 agency has purchased 100% of the shares of a Czech subsidiary of BNP Paribas Real Estate. 108 agency is now the alliance partner, has immediately become the alliance partner of BNP Paribas Real Estate in the Czech Republic. According to the press release, this transaction enables BNP to pursue its strategic refocus of its geographical footprint to the main European markets and cities, and transition smaller countries to trusted local partners, as recently completed in Romania and Hungary. And according to BNP, they go on, this change ensures continuity of coverage and excellence of service towards our pan-European clients and demonstrates our ability to serve their local needs in the CE region as part of our multi-country mandates. And then moving back to Romania, and Speedwell has recently acquired a 9-hectare land plot in a very attractive place, area of Bucharest, where they're going to build a multi mixed-use ensemble of leisure, living, retail, and offices. With it's going to be around 2,000 apartments and 60,000 square meters of offices and services. And the value of this investment is around 500 million euros. And according to Speedwell, it's a significant leap for their development arm in Romania, and they're also go on to say that it shows their continued enthusiasm and trust in the market for the future. And finally, for today, and staying in Romania, and like I was saying earlier, lots of news coming out of Romania now.
Yeah, a lot happening in Romania.
And Globalworth is pleased to announce that its entire office portfolio in Romania has now been certified with WELL Health and Safety.
Oh, great.
So that's almost 500,000 square meters of office space in 15 buildings. And according to Andrea Chira, she's the quality assurance engineer at Globalworth, she says that the WELL Health and Safety ratings prove that our top priorities have been and will continue to be the health and safety and well-being of the people working and visiting our properties. We believe that our initiatives and the detailed and continuous communication with our 210 tenants who lease space in our offices in Bucharest have been providing the necessary assurance for them to actively start implementing their return to the office.
Well, that's great. Well, I'm glad to hear that WELL certification is really taking off everywhere.
Well, I mean, in this kind of COVID pandemic environment, then to get people back in those offices, they want to know that the offices are safe.
Yeah, absolutely.
Deep cleaned and ready for action. Yeah. Yep.
Good. Well, Winston, thank you for those great bits of news. And as we're kicking off our SCE Awards in Romania, good to hear so many things are going on. And Globalworth is always one of our partners as well. So good to see they're doing so much to keep everyone safe. So thank you all for watching, everybody. We've got over 8,000 viewers a week now, probably probably the only commercial real estate daily news doing anything like this. So that's probably why we have so many viewers. Great. Thank you for watching. And of course, for the interviews, it's over 13,000. So if you want to get involved in one of our weeks here at Coffee with Craig, we're coming up to the end of this week at WIDOK Towers, which has been just a delight to be here. And tomorrow, I think, is the last day. Yeah, it's like
Tomorrow's the last day.
Kind of like the highlight of my day is coming here and filming this. So
where
great
will
to
we
see.
go next?
I don't know. Bigger, farther, higher, closer. So everyone enjoy the rest of the day. Stay safe. I see if you're in Warsaw, it's snowing quite a lot at the moment. So drive carefully or ride in the taxi carefully. And we will see you all tomorrow. Have a good day. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.